from last year we have started the food festival. So they are the second generations of the food festival over here. And now we are presenting the three teams. The first team is the cook mob, and the second team is made with love, and the last one is chamber with sacrifice. And now firstly I would like to welcome the first team to give their presentation. Please welcome the first team, the cook mob.
Namaste and good afternoon. I am Deepa Vasal and one of the members of the Cook Mob. I want to welcome and thank you for accepting our invitation to our management committee's chairperson Ram Bahadur Raimanji and our principal Choknar Banjare and other as special guests. I want to call Prasamsa Suresh to explain our various kinds of dishes in front of all.
Thank you so much for calling me to explain about the dishes that we have cooked today. And I'm Prasamsa Shrestha I'm the member of Cook Mob, and now I'm going to explain about the dishes that we have cooked today. The name of our group is Cook Mob. Now I'm going to explain you about the dishes that we have. First of all, the members of Cook Mob are Isa Busal, the leader of this group, and Shriya Busal, Deepa Busal, Sejal Busal, Prasamsa Shrestha, Sujal Sunar, Milton Jisi, Suman Khatri, Gaurav Gaire, Asim Gimire, David Khanal, and Vivek Kesi. And I would like to thank for all the members to be participated in this group and helping us to cook different dishes. And the first one is cheesy pasta. Cheesy pasta is a very delicious and mind-blowing food of every people. It is also called macaroni mac and cheese in the US and macaroni cheese in the UK. It is a dish of cooked macaroni pasta and of cheese sauce, commonly cheddar. It can also incorporate other ingredients such as bread, crumbs, or meat. A recipe for cheesy pasta. Ingredients. First of all, we have to take 4 cups of water and we have to add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oil, 1 cup pasta or macaroni, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 onions, 1/3 cup of tomato paste, 1/4 chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon
Green onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 small sized ginger, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 tomato seed, 6 red chilies, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 teaspoon mustard oil, half teaspoon fenugreek seed, and salt, and last one is food. And there are several dishes or utensils which are required to make gundruk ka achar. And the first one is bowl, a khal, knife, spoon, pad, and ladle. And how can we make talako milko mathiko coffee foam? Coffee powder, sugar, and hot water until it becomes creamy and then ready into cold or hot milk. Occasionally it is topped with biscuits or almonds or name is Production for making chocolate bread, got chocolate.
And I am the member of this group, and the name of my group is Made with Love. So I would like to introduce the members of my group.
Hello, my name is Anisha Anjit. I am member of this
Slide
group.
sense. Okay. So first of all, Priya Thapa, she is the leader of our group. Second, Anish Raimaji, Abhishek Pokhrel, Asmita Somai, Aman Pandey, Anushka Gotras, Anisha Goire, Bandana Khatri, Bishesh Bhatt, Gaurav Goire, Melina Regmi, Rijan Raimaji, Yash Banjare, flour, olive oil, salt, sugar, water.
Next.
And require utensils for for making pizza are rolling pin and base, pizza pan, oven, dough scraper, plates, bowl, and how we can prepare and shape the dough. Mix the warm water, yeast, and sugar together in the bowl. Add the olive oil, salt, and flour. Beat on low speed for 2 minutes. Turn the dough out onto a light flour surface. Knead the dough for 3 to 5 minutes. Lightly grease a large bowl with oil or non-stick spray. Place the dough in the bowl. School managing president Mr. Ram Bahadur Ramaji. School managing director of ASBS of Sri Krishna. Oil take out if the color of process is until red. Now serve hot, crispy and delicious dog stick with sauce. Next one, please Priya Patti come here.
सान्सले हामी मिटिङमा पनि थियौँ, नभए पनि बोलाउँथ्यो होला जस्तो लागिरहेछ। हाम्रो म्यानेजमेन्ट कमिटीको चेयरपर्सन हुनुहुन्छ, मेम्बर्स खैराबाद रायमाझी, मेम्बर्स हरि सर हुनुहुन्छ, युवराज सर हुनुहुन्छ, हाम्रो प्रिन्सिपल सर, हामी सबैको अगाडि जसरी एउटा कुरा मैले सबै राम्रो देख्दा दिँदै एउटा कुरा सोध्न मन लाग्यो। छोरा मान्छेले पार्टिसिपेसन गरेको हो कि पकाउने कुरामा, अनि छोरा मान्छेको पनि इक्वाली ड्युटी हो कि होइन, जेन्डर ब्यालेन्स भएन कि? छोरी मान्छेले पकाउने, छोरा मान्छेले खाने, हामी छोरा मान्छे धेरै है। त्यसो हुनाले पक्का पनि सहभागिता थियो होला मार्केटमा जाँदाखेरि होइन, बनाउँदाखेरि अलिकति गर्नु काम गर्दाखेरि जस्तो होइन।
फेस्टिभल है, फुड फेस्टिभल भनेर एउटा चाहिँ आफ्नो एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिभिटिज कार्यक्रम अन्तर्गत हुन्छ। यो धेरै भेराइटीका खानाहरू नेपाल र अब विश्वमै धेरै खानाहरू मलाई लाग्छ विश्वमै धेरै चर्चित खानाहरू, धेरै ठाउँमा प्रयोग हुने खानाहरू, अहिलेको जमाना अनुसारका खानाहरू, परम्परागत भन्दा पनि जमाना अनुसार धेरै मान्छेले रुचाउने, नयाँ मान्छेहरूले रुचाउने खानाहरू बनाउने सिपमा सरिक भएर हामीलाई पनि यो महत्त्वपूर्ण कार्यक्रममा उपस्थित हुने र केही कुरो राख्ने अवसर दिनुभयो। यसको लागि तयारी गर्ने, खट्ने, पार्टिसिपेन्ट हुने सब विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। मैले पनि अब यस्तो कुराले हामीलाई भोलिका दिनमा अहिलेदेखि यसमा चासो जिज्ञासा हामीमा सबै पढ्ने विद्यार्थीहरूमा सिप र दक्षताका कुराहरू, सबै कुराहरू दुनियाँमा धेरै कुराहरू छन्, धेरै कुरा मान्छेले गरेका छन्, तर सबै कुरा जान्न सकिन्छ, तर सम्भव एउटै मान्छेले सबै कुरा जानिरहेको हुँदैन। सकेसम्मका चिज जान्न खोज्ने र जान्ने र त्यसमा सरिक हुने र आफूलाई त्यसमा सक्रिय बनाउने कुराले जीवन सार्थक बन्न सक्छ र सफल हुन सक्छौँ। हामी भोलि गएर केही गर्न सक्ने उत्सुकता सबै क्षेत्रमा हाम्रो सम्भव छ भन्ने कुराहरू लिएर अरू एक्टिभिटिजहरूमा पनि हामी लाग्न सक्नेछौँ। म शुभकामना दिन चाहन्छु र सबै यो कार्यक्रममा
छैन